Good morning, everyone. Today we will study about a very important topic related to grammar, that is known as tense. It is a very important topic for class 10th RBSc board. It is also important for class 9th, 11th, 8th, 7th, etc. So, first of all, we will we will learn the definition of tense. So our topic is tense here. Tense. First one, we will study about the definition of tense. The definition of the tense is that the form of the verb which shows the particular time of any work known as tense. I repeat the definition again. The form of the verb which shows the particular time of any verb known as tense. It is the definition of tense. Okay. Now I spoke a word in this definition. The word was verb. Verb is a very major word in grammar because tense depends on verb. So we will study about verb now. What is a verb? Now our second point is to know about the verb. What is the definition of verb? The definition of the verb is the words which are used for predicating. The words which are used for predicating. I write the definition. Definition of the verb is the words which are used for predicating. What is the meaning of predicating? Predicating means saying something about a person or a thing. Saying something about a person or things. This is the definition of verb. There are three types of verb. There are three types of verb. Kinds of verb. Three kinds of verbs are here. First one is on the basis of utility. On the basis of utility, there are two types of verb. First one is main verb and second one is helping verb. Second one is these are the two types of verbs related on the basis of the utility. It is the first kind of verb. Now the second kind of verb is based on object. So the second one is on the basis of object. On the basis of object, there are also two types of verb. First one is transitive. And second one is intransitive. First one is transitive and second one is intransitive. This is the second type of verb. Now, third type of verb, it is on the basis of manner. It is also two types. First one is strong verb strong verb, and second one is weak verb. These are the three types of verbs. First one on the basis of utility, second one on the basis of object, and third one on the basis of manner. Means we can say that main verb, helping verb, transitive verb, intransitive verb, strong verb and weak verbs. These all are the types of verbs. Now we come to the point. Our point is tense here. So there are three types of tenses, basically or mainly we can say. So now our topic is tense, and I will write types of tense. Types of tense, or we can say kinds of tense. Mainly there are three types of tenses. First one is present tense, second past tense, and third future tense. These are the three types of tenses. The main point is that the question related to tense is asked in the examination like this: fill in the blanks with a suitable correct form of the verb given in bracket. I repeat again: fill in the blank with the suitable correct form of the verb in the bracket. Means the question related to correct form is directly related to tense here. So I think this is enough for today. In next video we will learn about the tenses in detail. So that's all for this very good day. Thank you very much.